Good day everyone! I'm sharing to you our favorite bread na purchase sa SM. So ito yung first walnut cinnamon. Ang sarap nito guys. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. So good with black coffee o kaya tea. Yan. Hindi yan natin nauubos ng isang araw lang. So pwede to within a week na kinakain natin. And this one is mochi bread. Ito yung masarap guys also. So soft siya and hindi din siya masyadong matamis guys. At favorite to ng isang fur baby namin. So this is favorite ni Cody. Thank you for always watching guys. Please like and subscribe. God bless everyone.